from one facility, I'm told, residents of Kenya, I want to request, leave the doctors to do their work. Kindly. Those busybodies, we can't give you room. You will go to social media, abuse me, but we will not give you room to intimidate doctors. Doctors must work for the sick people. If you have your activism, take it wherever you would take it. But we're not going to allow anybody to do those things. And I'm going to direct the county commander, the county commissioner will agree on how to deal with those specific individuals. Tukipata serikali kwa ifanye kazi nzuri, we will go in ourselves because we know how to go about it. We're not going to allow people start intimidating, harassing doctors who are supposed to do the right thing. Kwa hivyo nataka niombe na nataka niongee kwa kisi mrabali moko iroka nga you are chi activist. Kwa activist bino ismo koragochi. But ntoko baarao mwanze kwara saba nyagitali baokonya abantu barwalite. Ntoko banja. You can do that one elsewhere. Ufanye kwa kijiji yako, kwa nyumba yako, lakini not kwa watu ambao ni wagonjwa. Here, I know the appetite has not gone down for those ones who love to eat drugs. Eating in terms of stealing. We will kill the appetite. Hata kama mko na miungu gani, hata kama mko na mwanasiasa gani, you will not stand on our way. We will fix it. Kwa hivyo nataka niwaombe tafadhali watu tuheshimiane, tusaidie watu ambao ni wagonjwa, especially in the health sector. We'll fix it. I've directed that when I went round, I saw Gembo which didn't have, Gembo is a big hospital. Every evening, there is around 25 women who are delivering because the catchment is big. But the hospital is down. I promise that I'm putting some